walk with this, and you walk with this. Only you. All right. What year did you have the front? What happened? Did you fall down? Was that an accident? What happened?
I was at home, getting ready to go out. Then I wanted to speak with my wife. She was sitting, she sat on one of the couches. So I now decided to sit in one of the arms of the couch. I don't know what happened, I just slipped off from the chair to the floor. Before you know it, I had a fracture on my femur.
So what year did this happen? What's the time now? Last year. Last year, alright, so.
Another thing, you see, I cannot open my eyes clearly, I cannot focus clearly. But I can see if I'm able to open them, but they are not steady. I'm able to keep them moving. What really happened on this one, I was going to work in the morning, driving inside the car with an AC. Wind up. Suddenly something just flew into my eyes, like hit my eyes like from outside came. And meanwhile, the car was wind up. There was nothing, there was no way anything could have entered.
Yes. Let the camera see.
You see, this can't even open properly.
You can't open, you have to force it. So when you force it, it's as if some water is coming out.
And only this, I can only see with this.
You cannot see with this one at all.
I can see with it, that is, if I raise it up, it falls. I'll be the first person here.
Amazing.
And he was already first person.
Amazing. And you came here first. It was the first person that came here. Amazing. So are you ready to walk now?
Yes, I'm ready to walk.
Are you ready to see now?
Yes, I'm ready to see.
Right now, I release energy to your leg. Right now, I release life. I command whatever that has been fractured, be free. Now, life. Healing energy. Right now. When you go back to the hospital, the doctors will not see anything anymore. The doctors will not see anything anymore. You are free. Right now, life. There is life, your bones are set. Right now, your bones are set. Be free, be healed. Right now. I release light into your eyes. Your eyes open clearly. You begin to see. Be healed. Life into your eyes. I terminate sickness. I terminate negative energy. Every spiritual attack ends now. You are free. Stand up. Stand up. You are free. Stand up. You are free. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. You are free. One step. One step. Another step. Yes. Keep moving. You are free. You are free. Move. You are free. Move. You are free. Move. Life. Smooth. Keep moving. What's happening to you?
I'm getting better. But for a very long time, I've not been able to. For a very long time, I've not been able to move on my own.
On your own. You cannot stand by yourself.
No.
Keep moving. You're free. Move again. Move some more. You're free. Come on. Power. You're free. You will not fall. Don't worry. Power. You will not fall. You're free. Okay. How's your eyes? Look at the eyes. Whose eyes? Camera people. Look at the eyes. I go for God. See the eyes shining. You notice it. You can see clearly with the eye now.
Yes, I can.
Close the one that you used to see before. Close that one. Yeah. Yes. How many fingers?
One.